And sent. Perfect. Oh, hello there, YouTubers. I am Uncle Teddy, and in case you don't know, I'm a seal. I'm here online today, enjoying a few funny YouTube videos, when I was given an opportunity to look at a brand new spot for Savannah. And I thought to myself, Uncle Teddy has been to Savannah. Uncle Teddy loves Savannah. I wonder what this could be. And lo, this is what I saw. Okay, seriously, what the hell was that? I mean, what the, okay, let's start with Oglethorpe. Why is he covered in poop? This seems contradictory. I mean, I know that it was, a really long time ago, and maybe wearing poop was a fashion statement, but really, come on now, there are children watching this. Oglethorpe, you need to set a good example. Take a bath. Secondly, why is the woman getting heart palpitations within seconds of seeing this guy? She should be like, wait a minute, wasn't he a statue 5 seconds ago? Oh, I'll just dance with him in a conga line. Listen, I do not doubt that you had a fun time making this trailer. I get it. Yeah, conga lines are fun. However, from a touristy standpoint, this is cheesy. Not even like Swiss or American, which isn't really cheese at all. It's pasteurized cheese product. We are talking about Cheese Whiz. Okay, that's how bad this is. And here's a question that needs to be answered. Why does this video need a sequel? Why does it say to be continued at the end? What? Does it really need to be continued? Really? Let me guess. Let me take a wild shot in the dark as to what the sequel to this epic masterpiece will be. Well, let's see. The last frame of the video was this, right? Okay. So either the General James Oglethorpe and the waving girl have mad passionate love in River Street, or the waving girl, also covered in poop, will also join him in a similar fashion with the bum 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 bum. Yeah. Oh God, that's gonna be in my head for weeks. To the creators of this video, I must issue an apology. If at all you feel offended by what this little seal has said about your video, then I apologize. I'm very sorry. However, you did open a can of Cheese Whiz and spray it all over Savannah. Now, what are we going to do about this? Savannians, I propose that you join me, Uncle Teddy, in creating a Band-Aid video. I propose that we create a film that we can be proud of, that represents the spirit of Savannah. Yeah. So, that's gonna be happening soon. So, if you're at all interested in joining Uncle Teddy, just hit me up. Send, just comment in that box down below. I can't actually see it because I'm not on cyberspace yet, but It's there. It's always there. I'll be in town. Uncle Teddy out.